he running grass seed in the ground with the drill. He's in a wet spot, and I think he needs to get his ass out of there. Because if he plugs up one of those hoses, he's going to have a problem. But anyway, yeah, he's just running straight K31 into the ground. And it's a little damp. It's a little damp, so it's not closing as well as it ought to be. Plus, the drill is pretty well shot. Well, it's not shot. It just would like to have. I would like it to have a little more, less slop in the closing wheels and allowing that to close down. And oh, the firming wheels, they're working okay, not great, but okay. But it's putting it in the slot like it's supposed to. And here he goes playing in the mud again, which is fine because they're only skimming it in. It's going in about a little bit over ½ an inch, somewhere around ½ an inch to 3/4 of an inch, which it's not closing it solid, so it's probably more like 1/4 to a half. He gets in that mud. But anyways, getting a little bit of bullshit from some guys about my 750 no-till drill. And I think that it can't do 600 acres. Well, he's halfway there. He's got 300 acres in now. So we're down to the halfway mark with the hay going in the ground, and I do have a lot more to do. It's just, you know, I got to buy that seed, and that seed is damned expensive. I'll have over $30,000 in grass seed, you know, basically grass seed. K31 is pasture lawn grass. At this point, I'm just putting K31 in for the simple reason it is a weekend, and Tractor Supply actually sells that for a hell of a lot cheaper than what I was getting that mix for from Homestead. Oh, let me get my seatbelt on, because then I was getting that mix for through Homestead Nutrition. I like Homestead Nutrition, did a good job, but that mix was $124 a bag. And I had to buy a minimum of 2 tons to get the mix, but I can buy a ton of K31 through Tractor Supply for $1,800 for a ton. So $1,800 for a ton is $3,600 for the same amount. Of course, I'm not getting the Reed Canary or the Orchard, but I really don't want Orchard. Ugh. Why in the hell is there a door open? Kid didn't shut my door. Anyways, the $3,600 for K31, or over $10,000 for the mix. But I'm going to get the Reed Canary for. There's still Reed Canary going in. It's just down to about 2 pounds the acre, which isn't much. But anyways, that'll take over. That grows on rhizome. But anyways, yeah. Think here, Wesley. I'm going to get the Reed Canary grass through Homestead Nutrition. I'm actually going to blend it into the K31 that I'm getting from Tractor Supply, because the K31 is, like I said, it's $1 a pound versus almost triple that through the other avenue. So that's what I am in the process of doing, is actually going tomorrow. I got a load of hay that I got to take in to the mushroom barn. I'm going to come back. It's supposed to be raining, but I can get K31 from Tractor Supply, and from there I'll get the Reed Canary grass and I'll blend it right into the drill as I go for probably 1/3 the cost. Because you know what, when you're growing hay like this, the less you spend for the same product, it's just like that in anything that you do, like generic herbicides and stuff. I'm all for generics. Because, let's face it, generics work. They're the same damn thing. Same basic idea, same basic chemical, only a hell of a lot cheaper. And I use generics when I farm. So, yeah, why buy name brand for double the cost when you just buy the generic for half? And it does the same damn thing. But anyways, that's enough of my long-winded speech here on planting K31 and other grasses. And, yeah. So, yeah. I'm trying to drive and talk and blah, 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 blah. Anyways, yeah. So if you like my video, I said yeah about 100 times. What a retard I am today. But anyways, if you... yeah, and anyways, if you like my videos, please comment, rate, and subscribe. Don't forget to check out OneLonelyFarmer.com. The link should be in the description below, unless I forgot to stick it there, which is nothing unusual. But, yeah, come on back. So this is spreading ammonium sulfate. I guess my repair worked okay because I haven't had it skip off of there, and it's actually driving perfectly. This is all that's coming out of the gate, whatever's in the chain there. And of course, you can come over here, we'll walk out here, and maybe you'll be able to see some of the sulfate on, but at the 50 pound to the acre rate, it's not much. You should barely be able to see it, but well, I guess you can see it. There it is. There it is. And this ground is dried up pretty good, so it's going to seep right down into the cracks. And I'm actually going to go ahead and look for some grass seed to see if it's sprouted in here, because you know what? It should be it should be sprouted by now. And I just want to see a seed or two. If I could see a seed, I could possibly know what the heck is going on down here. Oh, there's one. Okay, right in there. And I don't see anything happening. Maybe that's a dead one, I don't know. I don't see any Reed Canary. Oh, there's some seed. And I don't see any sprouts yet. So this was only drilled 2 days ago. Tim had a lot of trouble with the drill, so it was only 2 days ago this got drilled. We're expecting... There's one. Nope, nothing yet. We're expecting 2 inches of rain, or an inch of rain here. That's why I'm trying to get this sulfate on. And, yeah. I'm hoping that the inch of rain will produce a decent hay crop here. I've twisted my knee, so I'm kind of limping here. I don't know what the hell happened, but whatever it is, it hurt. But anyway, yeah. I'm gonna set you here. Let me set you like this. Spreading fertilizer with GPS because I want to be accurate. And with ammonium sulfate, you set that up to 60-foot spread pattern because it's heavy and it carries all the way out to that 60-foot mark. So, this is how we do this. This is an AB line. I'm setting up for AB line. So, I just got to do a create new field. It says pattern type, straight AB. My implement setup is 60 feet. We hit that bad boy. It tells me I can do my client and everything else. You know, just go down through here. But I'm not doing that because I'm not doing custom work for myself. Operator, EPA license number. So, this is what you call an AB line spread pattern. What you do is you push the button, and that starts out the AB line. And you don't really want to go too fast because you kind of got to keep it somewhat straight according to the field. And what I'm doing is basically just painting the field. Alright, so when I get up to the other straight line, and then it will guide me in a straight line to complete the whole entire field. Then I'll just go around the outside round. Without the GPS, I don't need it. It gives me the acreage, it gives me the speed that I'm going. Right now I'm only going about 7.5, 8 miles an hour. My battery's about to die, so this is going to possibly be a short video. And I don't do it, I guess I could follow the sprayer marks that my dad left because they're 60-foot booms, but I'd rather set my own A-B line. So, okay, I'm down the other end of the field. I'm going to hit the B line, and that's it. Now you follow the red lines, and those are straight lines. Hopefully I don't get stuck. He had a 4-wheel drive. I don't. I got this 4450 right now. So, now you just follow the light bar till she turns all green, which I am not green yet. Getting there. And you keep it in the green, and you're accurate. It tells you how many inches off the center line you are there on the left-hand side. And that is how the GPS works. Now, if you look here, you can see there's a green line between the two yellow lines. That is because I didn't set my A-B line as straight as I'd like it to, and that is a skipper. When I get down the other end, I'm going to shut the camera off. And anyway, I hope you like my fertilizer sprint video. If you don't, well, that's just too damn bad. If you did, hey, please comment, rate, and subscribe. And if I have remembered to put my link in the bottom here in the description, you can go visit oneonlyfarmer.com. If not, well, it's oneonlyfarmer.com. Hopefully I'm